Hi friends, today I'm installing the Defiant motion detector security light. I took the liberty of drilling holes in these 4 spots here. I removed the old sconce. Pretty much we're just going to hook up our wires here. So we got our black one. Make sure you run your wires through the foam part first, or else you're going to have to do that later like I did in the other video. So we're going to unscrew our black wire there. Get this back on there. Oh, make sure you test it, sure that it's not beeping on you. Before you do that, okay, take your white wire, attach that on there. Alright, just going to have a ground, so we're just going to kind of tuck these wires down in there if we can. Okay, same with the white wire. Okay, tuck that around. Out of the way. Okay. Pretty much want that as flat as possible on there. Alright, next we're going to take this, try to tuck these other wires up inside of there as much as possible so they don't cause a problem. Okay, so what we'll do there. Alright, and make sure that your motion sensor is pointed down direction. I'm pretty much screwing this in between the metal there and the wood, so got my thing relatively straight in there. So now we're going to screw this screw in. Screw it in all the way yet. I'm going to get these other ones, get this top one so we're nice and straight. Then get my other 2 in down the bottom. Okay, there you have it. Now these can be adjusted to where you want, as well as that. And we'll tighten those up. I want them right about like that, I think. And there's just a Phillips head screwdriver down there to tighten them up, if this isn't in our way too much. Like that. Tighten this up as well. There we go. There we go. That looks pretty good. Put some lights in there and we'll test it out. So give me 1 second. I'll go some light bulbs. We'll be right back. Alright, so there it is, and the little security lights are actually working right now. We'll do a later video in the nighttime, just test the range and stuff like that, but they are working. that's what it looks like. Doesn't look too shabby there. I'll have to paint the side of the house there. Alright, thanks for watching, my friends, and have a great day.